They represent responsibility, compassion, commitment, and service. Continue dreaming, continue persevering for the future you have worked.
Parents and students, friends and visitors, good morning. Good morning. This is the first time this activity, Success Jump, is a celebration. Let us celebrate in your life. What is that why that you want to search for? And you are on the way to that why. This is followed by what Albert Schweitzer said, a German doctor, and I quote, namatay ang akong father. So uli ko sa balay, mama na lang. 4 years after, 2021, my mother died. Mag-uli ko karon sa balay, wala na sila. So not all the time that our parents are there. So take care of your mother and father. You cannot replace them. You only have one father and one mother in this world. You can replace your kuya 3 times a day, but not your parents. Take care of them. Everything is temporary. Temporary. Kung doon na kay kaaway, temporary lang. Mamatay na sila or ikaw. Okay? Don't worry about that. Okay? Temporary lang. Then, leadership. Yung supportive relationship. Yung community of Pinma COC. You know, Pinma COC is extending a lot of assistance. It is a choice that we make every moment of our life. Sometimes, success is relative. That's why when you are successful, you have many relatives. So, good luck. We hope that this new chapter of your life brings you all the happiness and success you deserve. Congratulations on your exciting journey, and we're so excited also to see you follow your dreams, driven by unity, leadership, and innovation, with joy, purpose, and meaning. May God bless you all. Maraming salamat.
Once again, our guest speaker, together with the Dean and Program Heads for the awarding of the plaque and token of appreciation.
In profound recognition of his invaluable contribution as the discourse and professional expertise have served as a beacon of inspiration for our students and faculty alike. Given the 7th day of May 2026 at Limkit Kai Center Atrium, Cagayan de Oro City, signed by Mr. Sita B. Gutierrez, Dean of the College of Allied Health Sciences. A round of applause, please.
Presenting the candidates for BS Medical Technology, Salido, Honey Rose, Sampo, Francis Lawrence, Silva, Charmy Ella.
Presenting the candidates for Bachelor of Science in Nursing, Rings, Jamel, Alcido, Gerson, Jack, Alingan, Hanifa, Amora Maria, Ardiente Sahaira, Arenas Jeza, Armamento,
Kahar
Solatre Winnie Ann Marie. Vargas Rosaura.
Salen Allen Edward. Salinas Aaron John. Salinas Justin.
Ochike Alexa, Ochike Mary Jane, Oliva Kenna, Ol Yago Iza, Yakapin Bia Marie, Inganya Casey, Zabala Christine Angelo, congratulations.
Let us call on the candidates for Beaning and Coding for the Bachelor of Science in Medical Laboratory Science.
Balentubog Laimer Ross. Basher Jomela. Batilong Genevieve. Veronio Alacha Daniel. Alatan Rizal.
Jasmine. Angin Taupan.
Ayo Princess Dayan. Bainyo Abigail. Bahas Dayan Marie.
Baltazar Therese Ashley. Maluma Barber Aliana.
Pardon Ray Lorraine. Bibera Antoinette. Ihasa Honey Jem.
Bingar Holy May. Bunglay Michelle. Bob Natalie Sheen. Bokya Jenny Hill. Bore.
Aiden. Kabaktulan Recha Marian. Kabit Kubos Luchime. Hong April Rose. Dagondon Nimusaili. Luwinin. Dimatingka Norhana. Diocareza Ray Joy. Disondo Johanny. Dolyaga Precious Kyla.
Junio Jolie Shane. Junio Marv Daphne. Kasim Bay Alea Haji. Kiko Hart.
Ella. Larazabal Marvin.
And to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous, and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate, and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping, and all family affairs coming to my knowledge, in the practice of my calling, to aid the physician in his work, and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care. So help me God.
Please raise your right and dignity of every patient who comes under my care. And I shall always place their welfare above my own. I promise to perform my duties with accuracy, responsibility, and every result I help produce may affect human life. I shall observe confidentiality, respect patient rights, I commit myself to continuous discipline, teamwork, and excellence. As I prepare to become